To Cam's கல்வி சேனல். இந்த வீடியோவில் 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி யூனிட் 1 அவுட்பேக் ஆஃப் வேர்ல்டு வார் 1 அண்ட் இட்ஸ் ஆஃப்டர் மேத் அதோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் பார்க்கலாம். Choose the correct answer. 1. What were the three major empires shattered by the end of First World War? Germany, Austria-Hungary, and the Ottomans. 2. Which country emerged as the strongest in East Asia towards the close of 19th century? Japan. 3. Who said imperialism is the highest stage of capitalism? Lenin. 4th, what is the Battle of Marne remembered for? Trench warfare. 5th, to which country did the first Secretary General of League of Nations belongs? Britain. 6th one, which country was expelled from the League of Nations for attacking Finland? Russia. Fill in the blanks. 1. Japan forced a war on China in the year 1894. 2. The new state of Albania was created according to the Treaty of London signed in May 1913. 3. Japan entered into an alliance with England in the year 1902. 4. In the Balkans, Macedonia had mixed population. 5. In the Battle of Turnberg, Russia suffered heavy losses. 6th one, Clemenceau as Prime Minister represented France in Paris Peace Conference. 7th one, Locarno Treaty was signed in the year 1925. Choose the correct statement. 1. The Turkish Empire contained many non-Turkish people in the Balkans. 2. Turkey fought on the side of the Central Powers. 3. Britain attacked Turkey and captured Constantinople. 4. Turkey's attempt to attack Suez Canal but were repulsed. Answer 1 and 2 and 4 are correct. To association, Germany and the United States were producing cheaper manufactured goods and capturing England's markets. Reason, both the countries produced record raw material for their industries. A is right, but R is not the correct reason. 3. Association A, the first European attempts to carve out colonies in Africa resulted in bloody battles. Reason R, there was stiff resistance from the native population. Answer, both A and R are correct. Match the following. Treaty of Brest-Litovsk, Russia with Germany. Signatium, England. Kamal Pasha, Turkey. M10 Madras, Hall of Mirrors, Versailles. How do you assess the importance of Sino-Japanese War? In 1894, Japan forced a war on China. The crushing defeat of China by Little Japan in the Sino-Japanese War surprised the world. Despite the warning of the three great powers, Russia, Germany, and France, Japan annexed the Liaodong Peninsula with Port Arthur. 3. By this action, Japan proved that it was the strongest nation of the East Asia. Second question. Name the countries in the Triple Entente. The countries in the Triple Entente were Britain, France, Russia. 3. What were the three militant forms of nationalism in Europe? 1. England's Zigeunism, 2. France, Chauvinism, and Germany's Kultur were militant forms of nationalism. 4. What do you know of trench warfare? 1. The Battle of Marne is memorable for trench warfare. Trenches are ditches dug by troops, enabled soldiers to safely stand and protect themselves from enemy fire. The main lines of trenches were connected to each other and to the rear by a series of linking trenches through which food, ammunition, fresh troops, mail, and orders were delivered. What was the role of Mustafa Kemal Pasha? Mustafa Kemal Pasha played a remarkable role of Turkey's rebirth as a nation. Kemal Pasha modernized Turkey and changed it out of all recognition. He put an end to the Sultanate and the Caliphate. The support of the Soviet Union was of great help to him. 6th, list out any two causes for the failure of the League of Nations. The League appeared to be an organization of those who were victorious in the First World War. Since it lacked the military power of its own, it could not enforce its decisions. The founders of this peace organization underestimated the power of nationalism. The principle of collective security could not be applied in the actual practice. Answer the following in detail. 1. Discuss the main causes of the First World War. European alliance and counter alliance. In 1900, 5 of the European great powers were divided into armed camps. One camp consisted of the Central Power Germany, Austria-Hungary, and Italy. Under the guidance of Bismarck, they had formed the Triple Alliance in 1882. The other camp consisted of France and Russia. The Anglo-Japanese alliance prompted France to seek an alliance with Britain, which resulted in the Entente Cordiale. Britain subsequently reached an agreement with Russia and formed the Triple Entente of Britain, France and Russia. Violent forms of nationalism. With the growth of nationalism, the attitude of my country, right or wrong, supported developed. England's Zionism, France's Jewism, and Germany's Kultur were militant forms of nationalism, contributing decisively to the outbreak of war. Aggressive attitude of German Empire. Emperor Kaiser William II of Germany was ruthlessly assertive and aggressive. Napoleon's defeat at Trafalgar, Germany's aggressive diplomacy, rapid building of naval bases convinced Britain that a German navy could be directed only against her. Therefore, Britain embarked on a naval race which heightened the tension between the two powers. Hostility of France toward Germany. France and Germany were old rivals. Bitter memories of the defeat of 1871 and loss of Alsace and Lorraine to Germany rankled in the minds of the French. German interference in Morocco added to the bitterness. Imperial power policies in the Balkans. The Young Turk Revolution of 1908, Austria and Russia resumed their activities in the Balkans. Austria announced the annexation of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Austria's action aroused intense opposition from Serbia. Germany firmly supported Austria. The enmity between Austria and Serbia led to the outbreak of war in 1914. The Balkan Wars. Turkey was a powerful country in the southwest of Europe in the first half of 18th century. Both the Turks and their subjects of different nationalities in the Balkans. There were rivalries among Greece, Serbia, Bulgaria, and later Montenegro for the control of fate. In March 1912, they formed the Balkan League. The Second Balkan War ended with the sign of the Treaty of Bucharest in August 1913. Immediate cause. The climax to these events in the Balkans occurred in Sarajevo in Bosnia. On 28 June 1914, the Archduke Franz Ferdinand, heir to Franz Joseph, Emperor of Austria-Hungary, was assassinated by Princip, a Bosnian Serb. Austria saw in his an opportunity to eliminate Serbia as an independent state. The German violation of Belgian neutrality forced Britain to enter war. Important question. Highlight the provisions of the Treaty of Versailles relating to Germany. Germany was found guilty of starting the war and therefore was to pay reparations for the losses suffered. All central powers were directed to pay war indemnity. The German army was to be limited to 1 lakh men. A small navy was allowed. The union of Austria and Germany was forbidden. All German colonies became mandated territories under the League of Nations. Germany was forced to revoke the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk and Bucharest. Alsace-Lorraine was returned to France. The former Russian territories of Finland, Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania were to be independent. Poland was recreated. Explain the course of the Russian Revolution under the leadership of Lenin. Estimate the work done by the League of Nations. Activities of the League. The League was called in to settle a number of disputes between 1920 and 1925. The League was successful in 3 issues. In 1920, a dispute arose between Sweden and Finland over the sovereignty of the Åland Islands. The League ruled that the islands should go to Finland. The following year, the League was asked to settle the frontier between Poland and Germany in Upper Silesia, which was successfully resolved by the League. The third dispute was between Greece and Bulgaria in 1925. Greece invaded Bulgaria and the League ordered a ceasefire. After investigation, it blamed Greece and decided that Greece was to pay reparations. Thus, the League had been successful until signing of Locarno Treaty in 1925. By this treaty, Germany, France, Belgium, Great Britain, and Italy mutually guaranteed peace in Western Europe. Thereafter, Germany joined the League and was given a permanent seat on the council. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.